Welcome to the video. Understanding hydration. The world is dehydrated. The world is stiff and crippled when we age. Dehydration root cause. So if you eat this amount of melon, 3 small melons, you get about 5 liters of water. If I eat my second meal of 6 mangoes, I get about 4 to 5 liters of water. So if you eat your species-specific diet, you are designed to eat fruit, then you get hydration, cellular hydration, for about 9 to 10 liters in a day, and this daily and this year after year. So you rejuvenate, you become younger, you reverse aging, you become super flexible because the blood volume that raises by fruits. If you cook, you dehydrate yourself and you create stiffness. You need a walker when you are old, or you need a wheelchair when you are old because of stiffness. And this is that cooked foods always pull water from the system. This is why drinks are not hydrating. So fruit is the only thing that can hydrate you. And this is the only thing that can cleanse you, that can detox you. There is no cooked food that is detoxing. There is no cooked food that is good for you, because you become a dried raisin when you age because of your cooked food that doesn't hydrate you but pulls water from your body, that no drink can hydrate you. So we need to understand cellular hydration that the medical world cannot measure. They don't know about this. They work on medicine for suppressing the symptoms, but they don't go to the root cause. Fruit will flush out the old waste. Fruit will always hydrate the cells.